So hello friends, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks 2M YouTube channel. So today I will show you that how to install Phoneinfoga in TERMUX. Okay, so vastly length you will able to understand because all commands in this video. Okay, so if you skip this video you will not able to understand. So vastly length you will able to understand. Okay, so before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest cyber security or tech tips and tricks. Okay, so you will get any notification. Okay, so without time waste, let's start the video. So now what you have to do, first of all, you have to type pkg update. It could take a time. So it finished. Now to type pkg upgrade. Now to type pkg install git. Now to type git clone. You have to paste the link from the GitHub, or you can search here in Chrome Phoneinfoga GitHub. We will get there. Okay, and I have to clone it. Okay, I have to type ls. There are two Infoga came. They have to install this. Okay, Phoneinfoga. For this, you have to type cd Phoneinfoga. I have to paste here. Simple process. Then ls. Like it will so like this. Now what you have to do? Now I have to type here mv. Okay, mv config.example. Okay, means example.py. For that you have to here. Okay, example.py. Again config.py. Then enter. Then ls. Okay, now it's finished for the, okay. So now I have to type Python 3. Okay, so look, I didn't install Python 3. For it you can type Python 3 or Python 2. Let me try Python 3. Is it work or not? Python 3 -m pip install -r requirement.txt. Okay, it could it's working already, so you also can try, no problem. It could take a time, little bit. So look, as you can see here, it's installed successfully. Now I have to type again ls. Now I have to type, if you want to use the, if you want to do the main work of Phoneinfoga, then you have to click here, this, wait, paste this. You have to type, okay, and like wait, look Python 3 Phoneinfoga.py. Okay, then you have to type -n and then phone number. Okay, then the Phoneinfoga will be work and installed. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you get any confusion or comments, I will help you. Always comment section is always open for you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.